Good morning, all of you. This is Dakne sir. Welcome you all in our online lecture series of information system. Regarding the first unit, this is our last topic that today we are going to discuss. Up till now, we have discussed what is the information system, its definition, examples. Then after that, we have discussed the component of the information system. Then what is the business concept related with the business we have studied. After that, various types of the information system we have studied. Then the role of the information system, that is one of the important topic. Challenges in the development of the information system, that also we have covered. Then what kind of challenges the manager of the information system has to face, that also last time we have discussed. And that two case studies we are having on the first unit, one that is related to the e-commerce, that already last time we have discussed. And today our case study is nothing but the case study on the information system of the Indian Railways. Okay. Now already number of times we have discussed what exactly mean by the information system. It is the set of the interrelated components which are used to gather the information, process the information, distribute the information, etc., etc. And today we are going to discuss such kind of one information system which comes under the category of web information system, and that is nothing but the IRCTC. Okay. So first let me show you the particular website, okay, where you can see what exactly that IRCTC is. Okay. Now you must be able to see the website of the IRCTC, all of you. Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is nothing but the Indian Railways subsidiary or the another branch which is related to the Indian Railways, that is the www.irctc.co.in. Okay. And you can see here, and we will also discuss various kind of services being provided by the Indian Railways through the web information system, that is the IRCTC. Okay. Now, let's carry on with the discussion. I have shown you what exactly that IRCTC is. Okay. So it is the web information system, and today we are going to discuss the things related with that. Okay. Now, if you ask me what exactly this IRCTC stands for, okay, the long form of the IRCTC is nothing but the Indian Railways Catering and the Tourism Corporation. Understood? So what does it mean? The catering means what? Catering means what? Yes. Catering means? Yes, Akash. What is meant by the catering? Anything might be in your mind. What exactly? What does it mean? Tejas?
Provision of foods.
Provision of foods means catering is nothing but the providing one kind of service through the making the availability of the foods. Understood? So that is the one important service being provided through the IRCTC, and another important is nothing but the Gayatri Dige, switch off your mic. So catering is the one of the service, important service provided by the through the IRCTC, and another important is nothing but the related with the tourism. Means suppose we want to go somewhere for the trip, or the picnic. So that kind of service can be easily get available through the IRCTC. We will see that point in the service provided by the IRCTC. Okay. So it is the subsidiary of the Indian Railways that handle the catering. Subsidiary in the sense the important part we can say, or the branch of the Indian Railways that handle the catering, tourism, online ticketing operations of the railways. And this is the old figure actually, but you can see every day the number of what we can say bookings that happens. This is the average figures are these on the IRCTC are around 5 to 6 lakhs booking. This is the average. Okay, this is the average of the bookings that carry on or that happens utilizing the IRCTC web information system. Okay, so still this figure is not so huge because what can be the reason for this? The illiteracy related with the handling of the computer system, internet, etc., etc. Understood. But definitely in the future, the number of bookings that will happen on the using the IRCTC, that definitely will increase. Okay, because of kind of different kind of benefits that we are getting from the web information system, that is the IRCTC. Okay. Now, where actually this is the headquarter of the IRCTC? It is in the Delhi. Okay, the headquarter of the IRCTC main branch. From there, the operations are being conducted. So this is the website that now only we have visited. Okay. Then come to the some important components related with the IRCTC. One of the main component that nothing but the tourism. Okay. Suppose when you want to go somewhere for the picnic trip, okay, जब आपको बाहर घूमना जाना होता है या outside India also, so it is, you should not think like that. The IRCTC only providing you the services related with the railways only. Yes, railway is the very important part. Okay, main service being provided related with the railways only. But apart from the railways, the IRCTC can also allow you to do the booking of the flights also. Okay, planes booking also you can do using the IRCTC. So where if you want to do the tourism, domestic tourism means the tourism, if you want to go for the trip or the picnic inside the India, that kind of facilities being also available. As well as if you want to go outside the India, that is the foreign trip, that kind of services being also available through the IRCTC. So advanced booking you can do through the reservation. That is the important component. And another important is very much what we can say, the important, that is the catering. Okay, providing the quality and the hygienic food to the customers or to the passengers. Okay, so these are the three main components of the IRCTC. Okay, up till all of you got the point? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let's see the what exactly the background when these services started. Okay, so I hope number of you have done the traveling using the railways. Okay. Now in the 1999, the Indian Railways, that is the government enterprise or the government service, they introduced the IRCTC. Okay, as one of the public sector enterprise, which is working under the Ministry of the Railways. Okay, so IRCT is like kind of a company. Okay, which is what kind of company it is? Public sector enterprise means which is working under the government. And which department of the government? Ministry of the Railways. Okay. So IRCT was established on the 26th September 1999 as one of the sub branch of the Indian Railways. And what was the purpose behind establish of IRCTC was nothing but do the upgradation, do the professional or making the professionalize and managing the catering and the hospitality services at the station and at the various location of the train. Okay. Now, if you consider the nowadays also, when when you think about the doing the journey utilizing the railways, okay, what is your conception, or what do you think? That I want to answer from your side. What do you think about the journey utilizing the railways? Yes, all of you got the question? What do you think about the doing the traveling utilizing the railway? What things come in your mind related with the services, related with the whatever other points? Yes. All of you got the question? Yes, Karim Ansari. What do you think about the journey using the or traveling using the railways? Speak up. Say something what you know, what you have experienced.
Sir, I just joined a session.
Yes, Karim.
Sir, I just joined a session.
Yeah. What I'm asking you, have you travel using the railway?
Okay.
आपने रेलवे से सफर किया है कभी?
Yes, sir.
तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या है, वो पूछ रहा हूँ मैं.
Lot of experience, sir.
That is what is actually the lot?
Sir, in railway, I'm traveling 2 tier, 3 tier seats, वगैरह, ATC.
Yes.
In that there are multiple types of booking seats, passengers, multiple types of trains like passengers, express, fast, super
What
fast.
about the services being provided?
They are totally depends on their tickets and ticket rates.
Yes. What kind of ticket you are booking?
So if we book a if we book a express ticket and suppose if we going to Mumbai, we are going to Mumbai from Anmar Junction.
Yes.
Then it is depend on it is depends on our decision. Then what type of train we can choose.
Okay. What kind of?
Then
so
there are
yes. Now what I want to ask you. Now recently you must have traveled, correct? Recently,
yes,
in the
sir.
sense before the lockdown, because now railway is not under the working, correct?
Yes, sir.
So, and the experience that you have got recently, and if you think about the situation before the introduction of the IRCTC, there is a huge difference related with the services being provided, yes or no?
Yes.
As we can see, the IRCTC is introduced in the 1999. For example, we can consider the period of 2000. So until that, there was no kind of services like doing the these online booking, reservation, etc., correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So IRCTC is nothing but what was the purpose of introducing the IRCTC? One of the important purpose is nothing but the doing the upgradation in the services being provided by the railways. Understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try to professionalize the sector. Try to professionalize the sector in the sense, if you see the services being provided by the airlines, correct?
Yes.
And if you compare nowadays also with the railways, there is a huge difference, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So we can think that the airline sector is more professionalized as compared with the railways nowadays also, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So still there is a time to be go to make the railways more professionalized in related with the services being provided. And most importantly, handling the catering services. Means what happened, the main thing that comes in your mind when you go for the traveling using the railways, railways can stop. It is not the railway can every time stop in the middle of the cities, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Their station are outside the cities mostly.
yes.
So it is not like the, ऐसा नहीं है कि एसटी बस की तरह हम कहीं भी रुक सकते हैं और उधर हमको खाना मिलता है, बराबर.
No.
Okay, related with the railways, that is the main problem related with the getting the food services. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
because of the IRCTC, when you are booking the tickets, it become possible to do the booking of your food also. Understood? What
Yes,
kind
sir.
of food you will prefer on certain station, correct or not?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Yes, and before the introduction of the IRCTC, was that kind of catering services was available?
There are multiple types of catering services available, like foods, ice creams, fast food.
No, I am asking before the introduction of the IRCTC.
So before, there is no catering services provided
No
by
catering
the railway
services.
station.
Even you need to go down to the from the railways and nearby their canteens you have to reach. But because of the IRCTC on board, you can get the catering services. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. So
On board
I
in the
understand what you
sense.
want to say.
Yes.
Sir, listen. I understand what you want to say. Before IRCTC, there is no catering services provided by the railway
Yes.
station.
Yes. Yes.
Before that, if you want to some foods or snacks or whatever etc., then
Yes.
you can go.
You have to go to the platform and canteen, etc.
To find out them, then
Yeah.
we can find stationery particular whatever.
Yes.
And
Yes.
nowadays, because of IRCTC,
Yes, you don't need to go down from your seat to the canteen. You can enjoy the
yes, sir, yes.
services within a railways only on your seat, correct?
Absolutely.
And that is
Correct.
nothing but the major upgradation or major hospitality services being provided through the IRCTC. Okay, all of you got the point? Yes, other student?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now, some of the, when they have introduced the IRCTC, they have some of the objectives in their mind. Okay, some of the objectives are like to make the company IRCTC customer friendly, means customers should not face any kind of difficulty while utilizing the IRCTC services. That was the one objective. Okay. Another, what objective was there in your mind? By utilizing the optimum resources, increase the manpower productivity. Means जितने भी लोग वहां पर काम कर रहे हैं, उनसे ज्यादा उनसे काम करवाना और get the more work done from the whatever peoples are available in the resources. Peoples also come, railways also comes, whatever the things related with the services of the railway, everything comes under the optimum resources. Okay, so whatever the resources available, by utilizing that resources, getting the most of the work done, that is nothing but the meaning of optimum resources. And utilizing the optimum resources increase the manpower productivity. ज्यादा से ज्यादा काम करवाना, जितने भी resources available है, that is the one of the objective when the IRCTC was established. Then upgrading the services like the catering services, that point we have discussed. Then reposition Indian Railways in the service sector. Reposition in the sense what? कि रेलवे की जो सर्विसेज है उसके बारे में लोगों के मन में एक डाउट रहता है, that we have discussed. So try to create the, what we can say, the quality image of the services being provided by the Indian Railways. Just like we are having the image of the airline sector in our mind, kind of services being provided through the airlines. So reposition in the sense, try to create that kind of image in the public sector related with the railways. Okay. Then providing the quality of service, that is the quality management, high standard of business ethics and the quality management. Then one of the important service objective was high quality packaged drinking water. Okay, so those who have done the journey using the railways, they must be know railway is providing their special water bottles, which is being called as a rail neer. How many of you have utilized this rail neer? Just like in the market you can have the Bisleri bottles, correct? Now railway have their own product where they are producing the water bottles without any interference of human being. That is a complete automatic plant is there related with the generating this kind of Railneer bottles. Okay, so providing the quality drinking waters, and they are providing these through the Railneer. Is there anybody who have utilized the Railneer? Ansari? Yes. Railneer is what? Yes. Mayur? Hmm? Vaishali? Neer means what? What do you mean by the neer? Yes. Yes, all of you
Neer
can
means
hear me.
pani.
Yes. So just like in the market, you can see we are having the Bisleri bottles, that kind of thing. So railway has their own product. Okay, regarding the providing the drinking water, that is the Railneer. Okay. Then another objective was there in like promoting the tourism across the country. Okay, through the railways. Then giving the single window solution to the customer. What do you mean by the single window solution? Tejas, what do you mean by the single window solution to its customer? Yes.
म्हणजे रेल्वेच्या आतमध्ये सर्व प्रोव्हाइड करायचं.
Yes, anybody? Karim?
No, sir, I don't understand.
Single window solutions means what? Once you sit on in front of computer, correct?
Okay.
You can do the booking of all these things. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Traveling, hospitality, hotel accommodation, catering. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is the meaning of the single window solution. Understood? And the same place you can do the arrangement of all these things. Understood? So no need to go to the like when there was no IRCTC was there, when no online booking was there, then in order to do the booking of the traveling, you need to go to the one particular compartment of the platform of railway platform for traveling booking. Then for the catering services, there was another way of doing the booking. Like suppose you want to utilize the hotel. Now IRCT is also providing their own hotels in the different cities. Understood? So in order to utilize all these kind of services, you can book all these kind of services from the your computer or from your mobile itself. Understood? No need to go anywhere else for the different kind of services. So that was the one objective. Customer should be able to make available all these facilities using the as a point I discussed through the single window. Here meaning of the single window in the sense आपको कहीं पर जाना नहीं है, एक ही जगह से आप ये सब सर्विसेज क्या कर सकते हो, बुक कर सकते हो. अंडरस्टूड? दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सिंगल विंडो. देन give the facilities to the customers like the internet ticketing, etc through the customer interface of the railways, that is through the IRCTC. Understood? So these were the different kind of objective they have decided while the launching the IRCTC, and we hope the most of the objectives are they achieving, and in the future also they are doing the efforts on making this kind of services better and better. Okay, now let's come to the important point that is related with the services being provided by the IRCTC. Understood? Now most importantly, first important service that is being mostly utilized is nothing but what? The online ticketing. And in the online ticketing also there are the two kinds of ticketing can be there. One is the e-ticket and another is the I-ticket. Understood? What exactly the difference here? Yes, both of the tickets can be booked online. No issue in that case. Understood. So in the both of the case, you have to pay online fees related with the booking the tickets, or whether you are simply booking the traveling ticket, or you are also booking the food or hotel. So everything can be booked online. Only the difference is what, in case of the e-ticket and the i-ticket, e-ticket can be cancelled online. Understood. But there is a problem in cancellation of i-ticket online. Understood. If you want to cancel the i-ticket, you need to physically go to that particular railway station, and there you can cancel it. Okay. Do you understand the first service? Yes.
Sir. Yes, sir.
All of you understand the difference between the e-ticket and the i-ticket?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, difference is simple. As in both the cases, you can book the ticket online. Only the thing is related with the cancellation. Here, in case of the e-ticket, you can do the cancellation online only. Here, you need to physically reach to that station. Okay, and stand in the queue and do the cancellation. Okay. Here also I have shown the examples of some that tickets also. Okay, e-ticket, i-ticket. Okay. One point I forget to tell you. In case of the i-ticket, that can be reached to you by the courier and the speed post. Okay, keep these things in mind. Understood. Okay, but e-ticket, those who have done the reservation online, they must be able to see this kind of ticket. Once you book, automatically you receive this kind of ticket. Understood. And i-ticket is like this, which receive you through the courier and the speed post. Okay, all of you can able to see? Yes.
Yes, sir.
All of you can able to see both of these ticket. Okay, this is the
Yes, sir.
e-ticket and this is the i-ticket. Those who have done the journey, they must be able to identify it correctly. Okay. Okay, let's see the next service, that is the Tatkal scheme. Yes, Karim will tell us about this if you know. Yes, Karim.
Yes, sir.
Another important service, that is the Tatkal scheme. Do you know about this?
No, sir. I don't know.
Anybody else? Tatkal means what? Tatkal is the
Emergency tickets card.
emergency ticket. Okay. So under the Tatkal scheme, the passenger who plan their journey at the short notice can book their tickets on all the express train through the Indian Railways internet portal. Means suppose tomorrow you need to go to the Delhi and you forget to do the reservation. Understand the situation. Okay. You need to go to the Delhi tomorrow and you forget to do the reservation. So there are the very less chance that you will get the booking available. Yes or no, Karim?
Yes, sir.
Because if you want to go somewhere, reservation has to be done before 1 week, 2 week, or 4 days. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why this is so?
So, if we book a ticket before 1 week or 2 weeks,
Yeah.
before our journey, we book our tickets. And some emergency reason, we want to cancel a ticket, then we can use this scheme.
Now, what is the main things related with this is what? Our population is huge, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Number of people utilizing the railways, their numbers are huge, more. And trains available are less. And that's why you need to do the reservation before the 1 week, 2 week, 1 month, 2 month, etc., etc. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Correct.
And suppose now in some case what happened, you forget to do the reservation and it is very emergency, you need to go to the Delhi tomorrow. In that case, the services being provided, okay, that is the Tatkal e-ticket can be booked for the selected train 1 day advance. Okay, this also you need to do the 1 day advance. Understood? And this for this you need to go give the more charges. Okay, and this booking start. Suppose if you want to go tomorrow, this booking start today at the 10 AM. for AC coach and 11 a.m. for the non-AC coach. Understood? So in order to utilize the Tatkal scheme, emergency booking of the ticket also, you need to do it before the 1 day. Correct or not? It is not like that on the same day you will get this kind of service. You have to do this before the 1 day only if you need to utilize the emergency scheme or the Tatkal scheme. Now, while traveling on the Tatkal ticket, you should carry your photo ID proof along with the that is being required to do the check by the checker. Understood? So this is the one of the important service for the emergency purpose, that is the Tatkal scheme. Okay, all of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move to the
Yes,
next
sir.
important one. That is the tourism service being provided. Okay, so Indian Railways, that is the Indian Railway Catering and the Tourism Corporation, also organize in budget and also the deluxe packages for the domestic tourist and for the foreign tourists. Domestic in the inside our country only. Okay, foreign in the outside our country. Okay, so related with the tourism, there are also the special railways are available, and you can utilize that special railways through the IRCT. So popular tourism package in budget tourist covering, that is being available to the different picnic spot or to the different tourist destination across the India, and the name of that particular railway is what? Bharat Darshan. Okay, जब आपको इंडिया के अंदर घूमना है, जहां पर भी आप जाना चाहते हैं, और आपको इन बजट चाहिए कि ज्यादा डिलक्स नहीं चाहिए, ज्यादा लग्जरियस नहीं चाहिए, जैसे कि रेलवे में होता है टायर 1, टायर 2, टायर 3, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, और जनरल coach, okay, sleeper coach, that kind of things. So if you want to do the Bharat Darshan, if you want to visit to the different tourist spots within India, and that also you need to in your budget, okay, then it is possible, that is utilizing the Bharat Darshan Railway Express. Understood? But if you want the luxury services, okay, if you want the luxury tourist package, which will include the special luxury trains, that is also available. That is through the Buddhist circuit train and the Maharaja Express operation. Okay. Now, Karim, you tell me what do you mean by the package in budget and the luxury package? You must be know about this.
Sir, it is totally depends on our quantity. It means if you purchase budget facilities, then we should provide high cost. If you traveling to local trains, then we should provide less cost.
Yes, budget in the sense कि आपको ज्यादा पैसे नहीं देना पड़ता in case of budget package, कि और in case of that you also get that kind of services only. Understood? So जैसे कि आपको you may not get the AC coach, understood, in case of the budget package, but here you can get the AC coach. Okay, here you can get the onboard food services. Here you may not get the onboard food services. You may have to go to the station and get the food services available. So depends on how much what you can say budget you are, how much money you want to spend. According to that, this kind of tourist packages are available. Okay, got this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then apart from the conventional tourism, conventional in the sense कि आपको ताजमहल देखने जाना है, या आपको हैदराबाद घूमने जाना है, ये हो गए कन्वेंशनल टूरिज्म. इसके अलावा भी कि आपको एडवेंचर टूरिज्म करना है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द एडवेंचर टूरिज्म? एडवेंचर टूरिज्म मीन्स व्हाट? मयूर
सर, माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग वगैरह.
आपको ऐसे लोकेशन पे जाना है जहां पर आपको ट्रेकिंग करना है, ऐसे लोकेशन पे जाना है जहां बहुत बड़ा जंगल है. ओके, दैट इज द वाइल्ड लाइफ. माउंटेन ट्रेकिंग करना है, वाटर स्पोर्ट्स करना है. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ टूरिज्म is under the adventure tourism. Understood? So in order to do that kind of tourism, also the IRCT provide you the services. Okay, so tourism is the one of the important service where you can enjoy the conventional tourism as well as the adventure tourism. Understood this? Shall we move forward?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next important, we are having the related service, that is the catering service, that is related with the providing the quality and the hygienic food to the passengers. Indian Railways have developed their operationalized and the institutionalized mechanism for monitoring the quality and hygiene of the catering services through the regular inspection. Related with these catering services, customer can also give their feedback through the online portals. Understood? Or customer can also lodge their complaints regarding the catering services. Those who have utilized the railway or utilize the deluxe luxury packages of the railway, they must have got the idea about the catering services being provided and quality of food. Sometimes if you book the catering services through the railways and you find that good is not of that kind of quality, you can also give your feedback related with that catering services, and you can also lodge the complaints related with the giving the feedback. You can give the feedback through the online portal only using the IRCTC. So catering is nothing but the getting services related with the food. Just like you are booking the traveling ticket, you can also book. Suppose you are going to the you want to go to watch visit the Taj Mahal. So you will go through you need to go to the Delhi. Okay, so if you want to take the lunch dinner at the Delhi railway station, you can book that whatever food you want to enjoy at the Delhi now only when you are booking the tickets. Yes or no? So that is nothing but the catering service. Yes, all of you got this point? Yes? Catering?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it is related with the food services being provided through the IRCTC. Okay. Now another important service is which comes under the that is the service. Okay. Another kind of service being very much important, that is the PNR service being provided through the IRCTC. Here you must be able to see if you observe this ticket, e-ticket here. Okay. Yes, all of you can see here. You can see this is the PN. Here you can see the PNR number. You can see. Okay. Yes, all of you can able to see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what does it mean, PNR number? Yes, Karim. Yes, Karim. Karim is there. Yes, Mayur. Do you know about the PNR? Anybody who
I don't know.
Anybody who know about the PNR? Okay, this PNR stands for the person name record. What? Person name record means what? Now it will give you the idea about. It will give the idea about all the important kind of information. Like here you can see. Now what kind of information you get through the PNR? Here you can see or the passenger name record or the person. Okay, meaning is same. That stands for the passenger name record. So it is the 10-digit number you can observe there. Okay, which is being recorded on your ticket that you have booked. Okay, and once you book this, you will get the ticket and you can have this PNR number. Okay, now this PNR number, once you enter this on the internet, this PNR number on the site of the IRCTC, okay, you will get, suppose after the 2 days you want to go to the Delhi, and today or before the 1 week you have booked the ticket, so you will get the PNR number on that ticket. Okay, now when you book the ticket, that train might be traveling somewhere else. Yes or no? Yes, all of you are getting the situation what I am telling, or shall I repeat? Yes. Yes, what I ask? If you want to go to the Delhi after the 2 days, correct? Now you have booked the ticket before the 1 week, correct? Understood this much?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
When you have booked the ticket, that train might be traveling somewhere else, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
जब आप टिकट बुक करते हो, सपोज आज आपने टिकट बुक किया या 1 वीक पहले टिकट आपने बुक किया, आपको जाना कब है? नेक्स्ट वीक जाना है, करेक्ट? तो आज जब आप टिकट बुक कर रहे हो तो वो ट्रेन कहीं और उसका ट्रैवलिंग, द ट्रेन माइट बी ट्रैवलिंग इन समवेयर एल्स, इन सम अदर लोकेशन, यस और नो?
यस।
तो आपको ट्रैक करना है कि वो ट्रेन अब कहाँ है। ओके, उस ट्रेन का नेम क्या है, उस ट्रेन का नंबर क्या है, ओके, आपकी डेट ऑफ जर्नी क्या है, ओके, सो पैसेंजर नेम्स, टिकट बुकिंग स्टेटस, कोच टाइप, कोच नंबर, seat number, seat type, these all the information used to be there on your you can get the all this kind of information utilizing the PNR number. Understood? If you want to know about all this information, all the information you can get by using this PNR number. You have to just go to the IRCTC site and you have to enter the PNR number there. You will get all these kind of information. Understood? Another important information that you can get, where actually train is now. You are getting what I'm asking? Suppose you have booked the ticket and that train number is 110. What? That train number is what? 110. And today you want to check where actually this train is traveling. Utilizing the PNR number, you can also get that kind of information also. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can also, suppose today you are trying to book the ticket and you can see the train is full, means reservation is full. Understood? Understand the situation. What? You are today trying to book the ticket and reservations are completely full. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then also you can book the ticket. Okay, what I'm saying, then also you can book the ticket, and once the already booked ticket, some of the ticket get cancelled. Okay, once the some of the ticket which already booked before you, some of the ticket get cancelled, then only you can get the ticket. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the nothing but called the reservation against the cancellation. So using the PNR, you can see what is your waiting list number. That is the important thing related with the PNR. Understood? Yes?
Yes, sir.
What is your waiting list number? Because now you are trying to book the ticket, but all the tickets are full. Still you get the booking, but you are in the which list? Waiting list, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And you also get your waiting list number also. And once some of the ticket get cancelled, then and then only you can get the reservation available. Understood? So all these kind of information can be get available through the PNR number. Okay, all of you understood the PNR?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, Karim?
Yes, sir.
Yes, PNR. You must have utilized the PNR?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can track the where actually the railway is traveling, etc., which location,
Yes,
correct?
sir.
So these are the different benefits of having the PNR service being provided by the IRCTC. Another last important service being provided through the IRCTC is nothing but they are also having their different call centers also, okay, where you can call and you can check the status of the railways, etc. You can get the whatever information you want related with the certain railways. So that is the important one, that is the call center services. Okay. Then these are the some of the milestones. Milestone in the sense what? Milestone in the sense? Yes. What do you mean by the milestone, Tejas? Anybody else? Milestone? What is the meaning of milestone? What is the meaning of the milestone? Some of the important achievements. Okay, meaning of the milestone is what? Some of the important achievements by the IRCTC. Okay, so in that, some of the important achievements from the period 1999, when the IRCTCs get established, some of the important achievements of the IRCTC are like, on the March 2014, nearly 5,80,000 tickets booked in a single days, when in the 2014, in the single day. Then on the April 2015, IRCTC, using the IRCTC, recorded 13,45,000 tickets books in a single day. Okay, so here you can see, as the time passing and as the peoples are getting literate about the utilization of the internet, computer, etc., definitely the utilization of the IRCTC service will increase. Okay. Another important milestone was the inauguration of the introduction or the inauguration of Tejas Express on the 24th of May 2017. That is from the Mumbai CST to the Karmali, Goa. Now, what is special thing about the Tejas Express? Is there anybody who know about these things? Tejas Express, okay, which was inaugurated or started in the 2017. Yeah, anybody know about the Tejas Express? Mayur, Tejas, Kareem?
No, sir.
Okay, now it is a सेमी हाय स्पीड फुल्ली एअर कंडिशन. आता आपण ज्या रेल्वे बघतो त्या पूर्ण एअर कंडिशन असतात का सगळे कोच?
नाही.
बट तेजस इज द फुल्ली एअर कंडिशन. Complete train is what? Air condition. Understood. So that is the luxury, what we can say, luxury service introduced by the through the IRCTC in the 2070s. All the doors are automatic. Is it great or not? Yeah. Have you anybody try to Yes, guys, can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Can you able to see the screen or just marking that you can able to see? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Screen diste ka?
Oh.
हो सर.
Slides PPT. Can you able to see the PPT?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because here I can't able to see. Wait. Yes, now. Yes, all of you
Yes,
can able to
sir.
see the PPT. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what service? What we are discussing is the Tejas Express. Okay. Fully automatic doors. आप में से किसी ने रेलवे के डोर ओपन क्लोज किए वो कोच के? यस करीम?
Yes, sir.
रेलवे डोर्स हेवी?
No.
नो हैव यू ओपन क्लोज द रेलवे डोर्स? ट्रेन के जो
Yes, sir.
दरवाजे होते हैं आपने ओपन क्लोज किए कभी?
Yes, sir.
तो ज्यादा परेशानी होती है?
No, sir. There are like a spring types.
No, I am asking the common railways.
No, yes, sir. Common railways, there are so heavy.
For
Absolutely.
example, general, if you see the general,
Yes, sir.
yeah, it's
Lot of-
very heavy. Correct.
It's a very heavy.
Yeah. But now in case of the Tejas Express, the automatic doors are there. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Automatic doors are there. That is the one great feature related to the Tejas. Understood. And it is more faster or similar kind of speed it is having. It is a semi-high speed, like the other kind of express, like the Rajdhani, Gatiman, Shatabdi, Vande Bharat Express, like this kind of things. So Tejas Express is the one of the important achievement in the history of the IRCTC. Then on another their milestone, like from the 2070s, they have started providing the information to the passenger through the SMS regarding the delay in the train. This kind of services being also you can get through the SMS. In the August 2019, IRCTC has launched the payment wallet. This is the most important one, the iMudra. Does anybody know about the iMudra? Have anybody utilized this? iMudra? Karim?
No, sir.
Okay, iMudra is like, now suppose you are using the Paytm, correct? I hope most of you utilize the Paytm.
Yes, sir.
Paytm is the e-wallet, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So regarding the railways booking, there is also one e-wallet, just like the Paytm, that is called as what? The iMudra. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So you can do the easy way of booking of the tickets through the iMudra. You can pay, send, withdraw the money, etc., etc. So this is the one more good achievement which is being introduced by the railways in the 2019. Okay, so these are the important services being provided by the IRCTC. That is the one of the branch of the Indian Railways. Now, what are the sources of earning of the IRCTC? One of the important source of earning is nothing but through the railway reservation. Then another source of earning through the catering, providing the food services, advertisement. Okay, if you see here, let me show you. If you see here, okay, if you see here, yes, all of you can able to see the change in the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, here you can see on the portal of IRCTC,
Yes,
there is a one tab, that is the promotion. Okay, here you can do the advertisement of whatever things you want to related with the business, anything else. So that advertisement facilities, तुम्ही बस स्टँड वर बघितलं असेल कधीतरी, बस स्टँड वर ते सारखा एक माईक चालू असतो बघा. यस, आपल्या एसटी बस स्टँड वर, एसटी बस स्टँड वर
Yes, sir.
काय चालू असतं त्याच्यामध्ये? ऍडव्हर्टाइजमेंट चालू असतं, कुठल्या बसचा टायमिंग ते तर झालंच, पण मध्ये मध्ये ते ऍडव्हर्टाइजमेंट करतात बघा, क्लासेसची ऍडव्हर्टाइजमेंट म्हणा किंवा कॉलेजेसची किंवा एखाद्या बिझनेसची. करेक्ट. सो that kind of advertisement facilities can also be available through the IRCTC web information system. You can see the tab related to this here, advertisement with the IRCTC through the IRCTC Air app, etc., etc. As I said, IRCTC does not just provide you the ticketing services of railways, but it also gives the booking related with the flight also. You can see here. Yes. Okay. So this is the tab related with the tourism. Here you can see the packages are being mentioned. Yeah, all of you can see. Okay. It's okay. Here you can see that everything is being available. Then, so these are the various portals are available on the IRCTC web information system. So this is the point that I want to make it clear here. That is the related with the advertisement. Okay. And then tourism is the important. Then Rail Neer providing the water facilities through the passengers. So these are nothing but the various source of earnings of the IRCTC. Okay. So this is the reservation process. Those who have done the reservation, they must be very much aware with these kind of things. You can do the reservation from when you go to the portal of IRCTC, you can from where to where you want to go. Suppose you want to go from the Manmad to the Nashik or to the Delhi, wherever. You can select the locations here. You can select the which class you want, first class, sleeper, that kind of things. Quota, as I said, general, Tatkal, ladies. Here, I just told you the type of the ticket. All of you can see here. Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
E-ticket, I-ticket. Okay, so you must try to sometimes you try to book the tickets and try to do the journey through the railway. You will get the experience of all these kind of things. So you can get all these. You need to enter the date of birth, etc., etc. This kind of information you need to fill there, and then you get the ticket available. Like as I said, like if you cancel, you get the cancellation details also with all these things. Okay. And let's move to the next point. Which are the different ways using which you can do the payments? You can do the payments using the debit card, credit card, e-wallet that I told you, the iMudra, okay, cash card, okay, like through the ATM card, etc., etc. So these are the different ways of doing the payments. Okay. Let's see the what kind of benefits that already we have discussed. First benefit is what providing tickets to the public in comforts. आपको रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, उधर लाइन में खड़े रहने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can book the ticket online. That is the meaning of providing tickets to the public in comforts. Simple है, very simple process, convenient process है. Very fastly you can book the ticket without any kind of difficulties, and easy access is there. All of you got the benefits? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so these are the important points related with the case study of the IRCTC. The question can be asked for the 10 marks on the case studies that previously we have discussed, that is the e-commerce, and today that we have discussed, that is the IRCTC. Any doubt related with the today's session? Yes. Anybody have any doubt related with the today's session? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. I hope all of you have got the whatever things we have discussed today. And here
Yes, sir.
we have finished our first unit of the information system. Okay. I already told you what is going to be your homework. All of you have to go through all the videos that are uploaded, and you have to mark your attendance there. I already told you I am going to take the attendance through those who have watched the video and make their entry in the comment section. So after 2 days, I will mark the attendance of the first unit and attendance of all the lectures that we have conducted. I think this is our lecture number 9. Okay. So up till we have completed the lecture 9, and we have spent the 9 lectures on the first unit, correct?
Sir.
Okay. So if anybody is still having any doubt, you can ask me related with any lecture below in the comment section. I told you what is your homework, and based on your homework, I will mark your attendance. Okay. Thank you all of you. Shall I conclude here?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you all of you.
Yes, sir.